and in this video I'll be showing you my favorite finds from the month of October. The first thing I want to show you is what I've been drinking a lot of this month, which is usually the first thing I show you. And I just wanted to show you this before I pressed it down. It's a rose and lavender tea, and it's just so pretty. Where's the bag of it? It starts out like this. I got this in a Chinese tea room in Portland, Oregon, of all places. And they give you instructions for like what temperature you should have the water and all that. My kettle is automatic and it's not that interesting, so I just brew it at whatever temperature I have. But I use my French press for it because I usually make more than just 1 cup of tea, and I think it's easier to use the French press than a tea ball, especially when you have big tea items like that. Not necessarily leaves, they're just flowers. It smells exactly like those little rose candies. I think they're square and they come in a purple foil wrapper. And honestly, I'm kind of obsessed with it. The next thing I want to show you is another lip product, but in a different vein. This is my YSL Glossy Stain Lip Color. And this color is, I don't know what this color is, 47. I don't know if they name them, but they never put the name on the bottom of the bottle. It's got this like skinny, funny little doe foot type applicator. I need a mirror. And it's really bright. And it is what it says it is. It's a glossy lip stain. So what I like about this is if you wear it out and you go somewhere and eat, and it doesn't all stay on your lips, it still stains your lips just enough that you still have a little bit of color. And it stays pretty vibrant. So this is one layer. I'm gonna do another one just to liven it up a little. And that's what it looks like with the second layer. And then it dries a little bit more matte than this. So that's what that looks like. I'm really enjoying it. The next thing I want to show you, I'm also gonna put on, and it's also from YSL. It is their Montpellier perfume. And I have officially switched over to this for all the winter months. I usually will spray my perfume and then walk through it, so I get a little apprehensive when I'm just spraying it and I'm sitting here. How would I describe this? It's definitely an evening fragrance, and it's a lot more mature than most of the fragrances I really like. A lot of stuff I like is still pretty fruity and light. Not too many florals, but this one is a lot more mature, and I love the bottle. It's so cute. Ugh, I love that. I love faceted perfume bottles. I just think they're adorable. Plus it has a bow. Who doesn't love that? The next thing is part of the reason I was able to keep my skin in one piece while I traveled this month. Mike and I went to Portland and then we went to Las Vegas, and Las Vegas makes my skin so dry, it is the worst. And then flying is just, it's rough. It's rough on your skin. So I took several of these with me. They are snail jelly masks. It says it is a state-of-the-art jelly mask. Includes 5,000 ppm snail secretion filtrate. Who cares what it is? It makes your skin beautiful and youthful and moisturized, and I relied heavily on this in Las Vegas and on airplanes. So I highly recommend those. And I mean, who doesn't want to try a snail jelly mask? Another thing I've been loving, and you may have noticed, my skin is finally starting to clear up after 6-7 months of hormonal acne. Thought it was never gonna end. I think I'm finally seeing the light at the end of the tunnel. Part of the reason for that is the lovely breakout box from Patchology that they sent me. This is their 3-in-1 acne treatment kit. This one comes with pimple shrinking salicylic acid dots, whitehead absorbing hydrocolloid dots, and blackhead eliminating nose strips. I used up this whole box they sent me. I ordered more, I used up those too. But basically it comes with these little dots that have medication on them. You stick them onto your blemish, whatever type it is, and the next day it's gone or much smaller. And the blackhead eliminating nose strips are just regular old nose strips. You stick them onto your nose and peel off all the sebum and gross stuff in your pores, and I love that kind of stuff. Makes me happy, and it's been working. So That's been nice. There's nothing more frustrating than waking up with a giant pimple and knowing that you have nothing that you can do about it. But with this, you pop on one of those dots and it's dealing with it. This video is not sponsored, so I have not been paid for this, but some of the products in the video were sent to me complimentary from various brands. I will link all of those in the description below so you can check them out as well. Another thing that is helping me clear up my skin is my Fox Brim Vitamin C Lotion. Now, I think this helps clear up my skin, but it also kind of helps fade any old blemish scars. So anytime I get a zit, I will have a red mark on my face for months afterwards. And this helps clear up any red dots. If you have any hyperpigmentation, like most of us when we age will start to get hyperpigmentation or basically dark spots anywhere we get most sun exposure, so places like here, your upper cheeks, maybe your nose, shoulders are a big place where you get those, and vitamin C lotion is the fastest way to fade those. Or pretty much any place where you have hyperpigmentation or dark skin, anywhere on your face or your body, you can use vitamin C and it will help fade that. Now, one of the downsides to vitamin C is you really have to protect your skin when you're using vitamin C products because it will make you more photosensitive or sensitive to sunlight. And you don't want to become more photosensitive because then you'll just get more skin damage and more hyperpigmentation. So make sure that you're using a really good SPF product. Ones that I recommend that I'm using right now are from Color Science. They have a really great SPF 50 lotion that you can put on under your makeup. It's really light and airy. I would show it to you, but it's in my car right now. And another thing that they have from their Sun Forgettable line, which is where that moisturizer is from, is their Broad Spectrum SPF 50 Brush On Sunscreen. I went to Disneyland this month for the first time in years, like over a decade. Oh my goodness, yeah, over a decade, thanks. And I used this, which is really great because I could use sunscreen all over my body. If I put sunscreen on my face, I would have messed up my makeup. Not that it's super crucial when you're at Disneyland, but everyone likes to look good throughout the day. So this is fantastic because it has a built-in brush and it has powder inside this little stick thing. You can shake it, it will dispense some of that powder into the brush, and then you can apply it over your makeup. So throughout the day, when you would normally reapply some powder because you're shiny or whatever, you can just use this instead. It's not gonna mess anything up, and it's also reapplying that SPF 50. So you can put that anywhere you need it. You don't have to worry about finding a brush. It has this little brush protector thing so you don't ruin it when you put the lid on. And it's kind of genius. And the last product I'm going to show you is another hair product that I've been using. It is from Sexy Hair. It is their Hot Sexy Hair Heat Protectant Spray. And I've been using this because I've been traveling, and when you're traveling and you're out and about and you're getting stuff done, you don't really have time to sit around and wait for your hair to dry. And I don't like putting heat on my hair, so I would spray this all over my hair and then use my diffuser, and that way I'd still be able to keep my curls and not be trapped indoors for several hours waiting for my hair to dry. So I think that's everything that I had to show you for my October favorites. I hope you all had a great Halloween, and let me know in the description below if there are more products that you think that I should try out, and I will definitely give them a look this coming month. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button below, and if you enjoyed this video, please click that like button. It really helps my videos get seen.